What's that?
Oh, shoot.
Hi, I'm David. I'm joined with
Brendan.
camera operator. You're fired.
Brendan. What's up, everybody?
What's up, man?
AKA the not Minuteman. People were calling me Minuteman in the last show.
They were?
Yeah. Some dude was like, Brendan the Minute. Brennan, actually, is what they call me. My name is Brendan with a D and a Y.
They call you Brennan?
Yeah, Brennan.
Like from Step Brothers?
Yeah. Come on, Brennan. I'm going to put my balls in your drum set. Yeah. Nah, they said Brennan the Minuteman needs to put a shirt on, is what they said, a T-shirt. I don't know who it was.
You do wear that jacket almost every day, though.
Well, today I was trying to put another jacket on. I wanted a quarter zip. I like my quarter zips. I wear quarter zips a lot.
Okay.
But I had no clean quarter zips, so this is all I had clean.
So the way you do it is you take the clothes, you put them in something called a washer.
Yeah, right.
Some detergent, and then,
Yeah, and so the washer doesn't go at 9,000 miles an hour, and so I can't do that before I come to work.
Got it. But you can do it the day before.
Yeah, but I don't think ahead like that. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and find whatever's in my closet and throw it on.
You do it last minute.
Yeah. Okay, come on, dude. Not the Minuteman, dude.
All right. Bitcoin. I am patiently waiting for a retest of VWAP upper band 1, 83,442 and rising. Saw a nice move out of Bitcoin this morning. Brendan and Rob and I, three of us, were kind of discussing this move down. Who's calling me right now?
This banco.
Hello? No, I'm not. Can you take me off your list, please?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks, man. All right, later. Buy Bitcoin. Not yet, actually. It's going to keep going down.
Yeah, don't buy Bitcoin yet.
God, no matter how many times you tell these people, take me off your fucking call list, they don't.
Hey, I just want to say something real quick about Bitcoin, what I'm seeing right now.
Yeah,
hey, for any asshole that was in the chat last time saying something about how smart I am, I literally just called exactly what was going to happen. I literally just said we were going to go to 84.5 and see a rejection. So when we see that, any of the old fucks that were in the chat before this can...
Damn, bro, why are you so mad, dude?
Can go ahead and just...
Why they got to be old?
Well, I mean... I'm 18 years old, and these dudes are watching me talk about crypto, not talking about crypto.
So hold on. Are you saying I should short it?
Short it, yeah. I'm going to short it.
Okay. I'm going to short it.
Yeah, I'm going to short it soon enough.
84,440.
Who's going to buy Bitcoin right now? Everybody raise their hand.
I'm broke. So
okay, exactly. Nobody's buying Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, they are. Binance.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's it called? Michael Saylor?
Michael Saylor's, yeah.
Yeah.
He's a great
sailor. Tomorrow he's going to post, he just bought 700 million new Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin's going to go to fucking 20K.
Chances are very likely. Anyways, 5 minute. I am looking for a retest here of the VWAP, but that means we got to lose, let's see, 1%. So 1% pullback, looking for actually, let's see.
Hey, I called it yesterday. I said we were going to use the top of this old support or the bottom of this old support as resistance. We did exactly that. Look at this move. Just look at this move. Just look how beautiful this is right here.
Beautiful move.
What's this? 3% move right here to the downside?
The greatest move.
4% move to the downside from where I called out, and let's see if it does it again. It's the exact same market structure too. So.
Yeah, when you look at the 15 minute, actually 5 minutes. This might be a potential. We'll see if this turns into a evening star pattern. We'll see if we can get tapped in on the short here on Bitcoin. I'm gonna follow Brendan on this one. 84.4. I mean, it makes sense when you go to the chart. Zoom out to maybe zoom into the 1 hour. Right, this level here. Where's my VWAP? There it is. Oh yeah, big volume node here too. Yeah, look at that.
I mean, the only place that it can go outside of this is through this big ass area of new resistance. Are we going to see that? Probably not. Probably not.
Got my stop loss at 84,687. Got to bring my TP down here. We'll see if we get tapped in. Potentially, I want just give me a wick up there, bro. 84,468. That's where I'm at.
Where do you have your TP or your stop at? Oh, perfect. That's a great place to have your stop at.
84,687.
Yeah, because that bottom of that range and the highest we went when we tapped into that right last time was 84. 682.6.
So I should give myself a little more.
Maybe a little bit more, but I don't think we'll move up higher than that. I really think 84.5 is where we're going to start the move down at. So that's in my opinion what's going to happen. I don't think we're going to see any type of crazy move to the upside today.
I mean, we kind of did. I mean, this is a pretty
outside
big
of that.
upside,
Yeah,
right?
outside of that.
I mean, from low to high, it's a 3% move, dude. That's pretty solid.
Yeah.
That's a solid 3% move to the upside. So let's see if we can get tapped in on the short. We're about $30 away. $34 to be exact, $33 now.
We had red folder news today.
Red what?
Red folder news. I don't know if you guys keep up with this, but this is called Forex Factory. This is it shows you all the news that goes on during the day. 5:30 a.m. today, we had news, I guess. Core PPI, whatever that is.
Oh, the producer price index.
But you're not supposed to trade until after the morning news or the news, the red folder news.
I think PPI came in and it was not bullish for the markets.
Yeah, that's yeah. It was, and we had a choppy opening candle today. We had a choppy from 9:30 open to, or 9:30 Eastern open to. I mean, we didn't see our first move out of that choppiness because this is the 9:30 candle. We didn't see our first move out of the choppiness until here at what is this?
82 even.
Whatever 32, whatever 1306 is when we saw our first move to the downside.
That's 106.
There you go. So 106 p.m. there.
Oh, you're on UTC -5.
Yeah, yeah.
You got to go to UTC -7
Well, I keep it on there because if I don't, then I'll mess the
or UTC -8.
Yeah, so it would have been whatever. So an hour ago for us. So whatever. But that was when we saw our first move to the downside. Now we're seeing more volume, more move to the upside, and we're chopping up here at our highest.
You still like that short, dude?
Our highest point in the range where we tapped and now we're seeing some type of downtrend, a little bit of a downtrend, is at 84,499.7. And I mean, we're seeing a little bit of a move to the downside. I'm still bearish.
Okay.
I mean, you guys don't have to copy me, but
This looks like a local top here to me,
yeah.
right? The wicks to the upside are getting larger, and prices closing lower than the high, obviously. And we're starting to see volume drop. And so, oh, man, if I would have gotten tapped in, bro, look how close I was. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get tapped into this one, man. I think we missed that trade. Yeah, I would have hit my TP too. Made a quick $170. Look at that. Fuck me, dude.
Yeah. Hey, once again, though, I called it. You old sacks of shit.
Hey, man, be nice to the chat.
What happened to the swear jar?
I like. You're right. I like all the other guys in the chat, but
Was there one specific person?
I don't know what his name was. He pissed me off, though. I mean, Broke Aoshi's cool.
I love Broke Aoshi. Don't you dare talk bad about that.
No, I like him. He's
friend.
cool. I like him. Who else do I like in there? Janet's Papa, or he's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, I mean, but anybody else that has an opinion can just,
All right.
I'm not gonna say it.
Anyways, we got to stop talking crap about our chat. We love our community. Okay? Even the people that make fun of us.
Like,
and
oh, what about your favorite guy, though?
Felix?
Yeah.
I mean, he can still watch.
Yeah, you guys can give us viewership all day.
You okay today?
No, I mean, I don't like people that, I don't like,
People that talk crap.
yeah, poor old dudes that come
Welcome
in here.
to the welcome
saying
to the
something
real
big.
world, my friend.
Yeah.
All right. Let's take a look at the crypto bubbles on today. River going downstream, minus 17%, excuse me. Am I forecasting something in the future? Maybe. Lit. It's kind of lit right now as it's up 10% on the day, zero up 6.3%. Gold, silver down, stable down, meme core down, midnight down.
David, you
A
still might
lot
get
is
tapped
down.
in here.
What's up?
You still might get tapped in here.
Yeah, but I don't know if I want to at this point.
Why? Because you already saw that move.
We're seeing continuation on the 15-minute, 10-minute continuation, 5-minute blood dye, baby blood on the 5-minute. Yeah, I probably will get tapped in. We'll see. If
Baby
you can make the
nut.
same move, tap me in, and come all the way down to this band, I'll be happy. I'll make a quick $170 on my lap, and then move on with my day or move on with this chart. I still got my limit order at 455, so we'll see if it get filled. Okay, can you take a look at a Solana chart real quick? Thank you.
Somebody liked my flex on the top of the thing. Oh, Solana.
Yeah, Solana.
I got you. I like Solana.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously we talked about this yesterday. We were bullish to start the year. And well, we were really bullish on everything to start the year. And this is Bitcoin's sun right here. So it follows really anything that Bitcoin does, unless we are having an alt season.
Which we're not.
No.
Definitely not.
Yeah. And so we're down to, I mean, we saw a low yesterday of this is today. Oh, no. No, this is today.
Oh, I got tapped in.
A low, 115, 114 today was a low that we saw. I think that I would be short bias on this as well. I think that we're going to see 80K Bitcoin. I think we're going to see 70 high 70s low or high to mid 70s Bitcoin. And so I think we're going to see probably sub 115 Solana if we see that.
I can see that.
100 Solana if we see that, actually. Maybe a little bit above. So I'm obviously in a wait and see mode on whatever's happening with Solana right now because Bitcoin does its thing. Bitcoin handles its moves however it handles them. But we're going to see another dump from Bitcoin today. I don't think that there's any reason why we wouldn't. I don't think we're going to go above 84.5. I don't think we're going to go above 84.8. I think that if we're going to get up there, that's our top for the day. So
okay. What about BitTensor? Show me a BitTensor chart.
Tau. Here we go. So
looks like your absolute bottom support level for Tau. Maybe on the higher time frame.
Like our lowest low, like the lowest.
Where you would expect big bits to come in.
Let me just go to the day. I mean, we're almost in it, to be honest. I don't see a reason why we're not going to see a push to the upside out of here, right? We could go a little lower to probably, around 200, I think. We would catch more and then move to the upside. But we're in the support level that I marked out, I think, 2 or 3 days ago when we were talking about this on the show.
Yeah.
And we're in it right now. And we had a wick to the middle. And I always talk about the middle of those support zones. I always talk about the middle of those, anything like that. So we tapped that middle. I think we're going to see a move out. Obviously, if Bitcoin continues to dump, everything follows. Everything follows. So I think we could see it go down to 200, maybe a little lower, maybe 195, and then we'd see a move to the upside. So that would be either right now where we're at or 195 would be my lowest. That we'll see some bids come in and move to the upside.
Any trade setup you're looking at for this one? Time frame?
Oh shoot, I don't want to open up Polymarket. If I were to go to the 1 minute, let's see. Obviously, we're seeing a little bit of a relief rally like we were talking about this morning on the morning show from Bitcoin. So we're seeing that same, this literally, if we go to the Bitcoin chart, it's literally almost identical market structure. It's making a nice trend. So, actually, I'd be excited for this right here because I'm a big find the reversal guy. So we would probably see this. Let me move this away from here. And then look at that. That's beautiful trend line. We would definitely see a breakthrough here and then, or some more market structure up, make a breakthrough, and then have a change of character for value gap to the downside. So I'm really just waiting for on this right here. Once we get that breakthrough, I would trade it.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Ethereum, I'll take a peek at an ETH chart real quick. Let's take a look at ETH. ETH seeing a rally as well. Obviously, it moves in line with what Bitcoin does. But as far as like some high time frame guys, like we've wicked down there twice now. 2630 is a big level. I'll drop a horizontal here. Let's go green on this one. Oh my God, what are these drawings? Let's get rid of those. You can go bye-bye, go away, and the rest can stay. Okay. Let's get rid of market cipher. All right, so 2627 is what I have for ETH. We zoom all the way back to January of last year. This is where ETH got rejected before it ultimately came down to 2,100 and ran up to that $4,100 level. We saw some chop in this region here. This was between August 20 of 2024 and October of 2024. Same thing here again. Chop, push to the upside, a little bit of a bear flag down. Chop, down, reclaimed, retest, up, and then recently on Wix, 2 times that ETH has held support. Also some confluence here in terms of volume. Large volume node here sitting right below that $2,627 level. If we lose that level for ETH, unfortunately, 2,500, there's volume sitting there. But below that, you guys, you see this big volume gap? It's a big gap right there, okay? The next big volume area, if you're a volume trader, is going to be right here. $1,800. So
hey, David.
Oh, my short's pretty nice.
I was just gonna say your short's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I brought my TP down to VWAP on the 15-minute.
Nice, dude. I like that.
83,446. That's where my TP is.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, we'll see. If we can cross below this low here at 84.1, I'll move my stop down. But right now my stop is at 84,739. I'm using pretty high leverage here, guys. I think like 115. But yeah, but I got a guaranteed stop loss. The cool thing with Bitunix is you can pay like 0.025%. 0.025%, and then you can get a guaranteed stop loss on your trade setup. So we should, if we do make a move back up, 84.5, shout out to Brendan because that's literally the level you said. I do think this moving average breaks. I think it's a 9-day MA right here. I do think it breaks and we get that push to the downside. And I do think we tap VWAP again. Mean reversion, essentially. Volume is dropping on the 15-minute. This screams a local top is in. If we can avoid getting wicked out here, we'll be able to bank some profits here on.
Yeah, I'm hella brainless though, so it's okay.
Yeah, you just gotta let it go, man.
I just like when I prove haters wrong, dog. That's all.
Don't worry, it's anyways, I wanted to go to the chat. If there's anything you guys want to take a look at, please throw it in the chat. Mohammed said ICP to 500. Okay, come on, Mohammed, you're better than that,
What do you say?
Bro. ICP to $550,000. Yeah, I don't.
Whoa.
Yeah,
ICP ain't seeing $4.
IC, don't think so. Where's Poman? Haven't seen him. I know, where's Poman? Hopefully the bear market didn't break him. What's the beef with PBD? Zero beef with PBD. We love PBD. But there's certain things we can't discuss. I'll leave it at that. But we love PBD. Anyways, nice dumper on Bitcoin here. Boom, 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 boom. I think I'm going to move my stop down into profit territory here. Guarantee myself some profit above the open here.
Just give me some.
83.4. Excuse me. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you're good.
83.364. And we'll keep our eye out on this trade. But I think TP is going to hit, guys. If TP hits, that's a $390 trade. Not too shabby. Huh? Make up some of the money I lost earlier. And so, and for those wondering, like, hey, what did you see? What were you thinking? Well, one, we saw the move up, big move up. Then we started seeing, like, here's an example, right? These two candles, this one had almost no wick to the upside, meaning the price closed near its high. This one you saw a wick, and then you started seeing more wicks with smaller bodies. And then ultimately a big wick, red candle, volume dropping. VWAP is sitting right here at 83,447. And so for me, those are signals that this short, minute relief rally was coming to an end. And on the 10-minute, we're seeing a potential evening star pattern here. Large body green candle. Typically, you only see one doji or spinning top or indecision candle. But here we got two and then a large body candle. We do want to see this volume come up on BTC. And for the love of God, do not stop me out on some bullshit. I'm going to take my SL down up here. 84,566, just above this wick high here. If that wick high gets taken, whatever, we'll take an L on that. But it should play out. But hey, you never know.
Well, if you kept your TP where it was at, you would have. I'm pretty sure you would have.
I would have hit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I think there's more downside to come.
I agree.
And I do think VWAP gets tapped.
I mean, we are about to make a change of character.
But here's the thing, though, guys. There's nothing wrong with banking your profits early.
Yeah.
Like I can hit the close button right now and make like $100. Zero wrong with that, right? If you're happy with the gains you're seeing now, right? 2 in the hand is worth more. 1 in the hand is worth. 1 in the hand is worth more than 2 in the bush. Meaning, what you have right now that you can grab and throw it in your bankroll, profit wise, is better than the potential, because the potential may never get there.
Yeah, we're about to see a change of character on the 1 minute as well. So that's where I would get my entry at.
Let's take a look.
So this is the trend line, this yellow line, and then this white line is where once we get a candle closure body, beyond this wick is where we'll see our change of character. And so that's where I'll get in.
One thing I do like that I'm seeing too is volume is increasing on the move down. So that this current session on the 5 minute, we're seeing volume already eclipsed out of the previous session. And so once this candle closes in about 40 seconds, we'll see where we get our open. And if we start dumping again and we surpass this 84,123, I will move my stop loss to just above the open here on this 5 minute session that we're currently in right now. That's about to come to an end in about 20 seconds for Bitcoin. Okay. Brendan, is there anything else that you kind of had your eye on the chart? If you don't, I'll kind of throw something at you here. Do you want to take a look at
some guy asked me to look at something in the chat. I don't know what it
Metis
was.
DAO?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, Metis DAO and Zen.
Some guy was like, "Can Brandon," which is not my name, but we love you. Look at something. Can Brandon right there? Can Brandon look at Fogo? What is that?
Fogo? I don't know. Type it in. Fogo.
What is Solana L2 on Solana?
Layer 2.
Okay. Well, here's the chart.
Okay. Tell us. Give us some levels.
Let's go up here. High time frame on the 4 hour. Well, okay. So okay. We've got, this is our highest, our highest high is open of the Fogo. And then we've seen on the 15th of January, we've got this high, and then we have this, but the only area we've really had some resistance at is right here. We've chopped here, and then we have a high here where we've tapped in. And then our bottom is probably, our support right now is here, and then our bottom for support is here. And so I would say that if you're going to trade this, let it, I could actually I'll move this up a little bit and then shrink it down. And then, hold on. And then, so boom, I would try and get in somewhere around here. Probably this wick low. I think it'll come back to this wick low and tap in. So 0.03646. What was that?
Stop loss got hit. I moved it down.
Oh.
Made some money.
Back into the profit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like $100, something like that.
Good work, dude.
Yeah.
I still think there's more downside.
Yeah, I've gotten burned on so many.
Oh, no, I get it, dude. I get it.
I'm like not trying to get greedy. I'll take a little bit of time.
No, that's beautiful.
And which it is. I got stopped out, and here we go.
Hey, it's okay though. You know what though? I got off the chart. I gave them my piece. So if you are trying to trade Fogo, that is what you should do.
What? Short?
Long it.
Long it.
I longed it. I would say long it. Unless you're gonna short it to its lowest support. It's only been open since, I don't even know. Let me go try and get back on it here. It's only been open since, see on the day. Its opening candle was the 11th of January. So, on the 1 hour is what I was on. Yeah, you could short it. If you think it's going to push through this resistance, but we've been in a bear market with Bitcoin for a little bit now, and this is the 23rd of January. So, which is just a couple of days ago. And we've tapped it twice and moved out of it. So I see no reason why it would go through this resistance. And if it does, then yeah. But I think you're going to tap it and move out of it.
You all right?
I'm getting the hiccups over here.
Yeah, because you're over there sucking on dinosaur eggs.
Yeah, Dinosaur Egg Rebel. Anybody wants a good Dutch Bros drink? I got 3 for you.
Sorry, I couldn't help myself.
Dino Egg Rebel. This is what this green drink is. Unicorn Blood Rebel Iced. That's like an orange yellow color.
Unicorn blood, huh?
Or Shark Attack Rebel. That's
Where's
red.
that sponsorship at?
Yeah, come on, man.
I know, I'm going to get
Giving
them.
free ad time to Dutch Bros, bro. They don't sponsor us.
I'm not adding. This is not sponsored promotion. I just like their drinks.
Yeah.
I bring one in here every day.
This is, I can confirm.
Yeah.
Literally every day.
Yeah, I have one literally a minute from my house, so there's no reason why I shouldn't.
How long from your house?
Dude, come on. I'm not the Minute Man.
Minute Man.
You keep bringing it up now,
Dude,
bro.
I'm not the Minute Man.
Anyways, I was looking at, someone said Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid's been on a tear here. So I like to start on the 4-hour time frame here. Massive 4-hour candle with volume. We do currently, actually right now, are seeing a anchor wave long. Excuse me, a trigger wave long here on rising volume. We've seen this candle right now. If it were to close, it's got 10 minutes left. Would have engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 5 candles on this close here. So we might be looking at a Hyperliquid long right now. Let's see, a little bit of a W pattern. That's the only thing on the 1 hour that gives me some pause here is this W pattern. But then again, we could come back up here and test $34.21. Now, here's kind of the process I'm going to go through to figure out if this is worth. I don't know. Yeah, the 4-hour gave us a long entry, but lower time frames are telling us we're probably going to see a little bit of a reversal here sometime in the very near future. You're already seeing on the 30-minute. 30-minute actually looks like it's starting to flag here, right? Starting to flag, and then that measured break to the upside. Let's see where that would go. Let's go ahead and throw some fibs on here. Let's pull the fib from open to high. Let's mark out our 50. And let's take that measured move from the 50 up. $35, not bad, right? But that would mean you'd have to have some patience and wait for a tap back in at $30.82. Which I'm not opposed to, right? Confluence here. This was the top from this W, the middle leg of the W pattern, as I accidentally tapped the HDMI cable here. Studio tour? Who's coming in? Okay, someone's coming to check out the studio. Some confluence there. So for me, if you're looking at long, or if you're looking to trade hype, the setup I'm looking for is a long. And I'd be eyeing that level right there, my friends. 50% fib level, $30.90. Confluence there. Almost confluence here on a wick down. This was back on Wednesday at 10 p.m. Pacific time. So Hyperliquid, I'm eyeing along, but not until we get down to $30.90.
I like that TA, David.
But I'm also not confident enough to short it down from here to 30.9 because of that trigger wave on the 4-hour. And, man, I think I made the right move here, dude. Look at Bitcoin.
Yeah. Got a little hammer candle.
Technically, it's not a hammer because the body's too big.
Baseball bat.
Or ice cream stick.
Ice cream cone.
Not a cone, but a stick.
Mm.
Yeah. So I mean, look. So here's like just a in real time case study, right? I would have not hit my TP.
Yeah.
I would have come back. I would have been damn near even. And you guys saw the highest I got on a P&L was like $190. Okay. I got my stop hit. I made 100, but I could be right now up only $20. And with, the fees, you're at negative. And so that's what I mean. Like if you have your TP levels, but you're looking at the move and you're happy with, if you close a trade now, this is what my profit would be. If you're happy with that profit, there's nothing wrong was sliding that TP up or sliding your stop loss down and taking your money out.
And this is the thing.
that.
And this is the thing
I would
too.
have been in the red right now.
This is the thing
I would have
too.
stopped that for a loss.
You're gonna see that tap of that area of resistance multiple times too. So like you can't just expect, right? Like for anybody trading that certain scenario right there, right? I told you guys at 84.5 we're gonna see some type of move to the downside, right? We did, right? David got in on it. He made some money on it, right? But you also have to know that you can also see more than one tap of that. And that's why I say wait for some crazy confluence, right? You can say, oh, I'm going to buy the top every time, but nobody knows the top. You can say he's dumb for not knowing the top. You could say Rob's dumb for not knowing the top. You could say I'm dumb. Nobody knows what the top is going to be. You have no idea. All you can do is speculate based off of what the chart tells you. So you could go and have the top hit and then get it hit again. That resistance can get hit again within 5-10 minutes, right? And then you see that push to the downside, that big push to the downside. Or you could go and you move right through that and make a new top. So right now, yeah.
Do you think we continue or we get rejected again?
I think we're going to continue to get rejected. If we get to 85 anywhere in, I think if we get to 85K or 85.2, we're going to be going to the upside. But I don't think that we're going to get there. I think that the highest we'll get is maybe 84.8.
Okay.
So
you're saying if we do cross 85.2, then you're swapping from bearish to bullish?
I would be short-term bullish, yeah. But right here, look, you see this tap, perfect tap into that zone. I drew it out. And I called it out yesterday. We're going to start using it as resistance. Look how many times over here that we tapped this zone. Look, let's just scroll over. This is yesterday. I literally called this when we were right here. We were sitting right here. I said, we're going to move to the upside and we're going to tap this. No, it was actually after I got stopped out of this trade right here. I said, we're going to go to the upside and use this as new resistance and push to the downside. And what did we do? 4% move to the downside. I measured it out earlier. But you see this right here. We tap it, move, tap it again, come back out a little bit, and then we move to the downside. So you're going to see that, especially on the 1 minute or any shorter time frame, which is what I look at the most, you're going to see that tap get hit multiple times, even on the 15 minute, right? I have this, David doesn't have it on his chart, right? But I have it on my chart, and you see this. We have that candle tap. We have this candle tap on the 15 minute. We come up, we tap this in the inside. What is this? Yeah, this is yesterday. We come up, we tap this here. Okay, boom. We come back down. Okay, we tap this here, we move out, right? 30 minutes, same thing. We come up, tap it perfectly, we're tapped in, boom, to the downside. So you guys are seeing everything that's happening in real time, and you see this blue candle right here, this 30-minute blue candle, and then this black candle, and then this 30-minute blue candle, indecision candle, blue candle, black candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge black candles to the downside. This is 30, an hour and a half, 2 hours, 2.5 hours of straight movement to the downside. That's a lot of money for you guys. So that's all. Just know that to see, and then you see this same thing yesterday. Look, you see this is how, get out of my, 1, 2, 3. No, oh, wait, yeah, 3, 4, 5 candles, 6, 7 blue candles to the upside. You see 3 big blue candles to the upside here. This is on the 30 minute. What makes you think that we're not going to see more candles to the downside with choppy market here? So we'll see.
I'm looking at Canton Network. This thing has been running, dude. I mean, look at the daily. This is one of the few on the daily time frame that it's been crushing. Let's get rid of all this right here. I just have Can on the daily with VWAP. That's it. It's tapping that mid band as support. This should have been a reversal pattern here, but right here. This is an evening star, but it didn't work out that way. But Ken's been crushing, man. I mean, it got to a low over 10 cents, and this is right around where we were talking about it, and we're up 72%, guys. We're up 72% on Ken since Monday the 19th.
It's good money to be made.
Yeah, and so, but you ask yourself why? Why is this running, and why is Avalanche down? Why is Cardano down?
Whoa,
right? Like people, it's in bear markets, right? What moves is what's being used, And if something's not being used, then it doesn't move. Now, the classic, like just overall trend, will be down to majority. But still, you want to get those 70% moves in a week. People have to be using it. It has to have products that have launched that got their PMF and people are using.
Wait, David.
What?
Can you go on your Bitcoin chart real quick so I can see something? On the 1 minute for me?
Bitcoin 1 minute?
Yeah. Yours has that gap too.
Yeah, we don't typically see these gaps.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Usually CME chart, you'll see gaps,
Yeah.
right? This chart, you see gaps all the time.
Yeah, but you're seeing a big time gap right there.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
84.2.
Off that tap to the upside.
Okay,
like I
so we
said.
know gaps get filled, right? So 84.4 up to 84.462. Not the biggest gap, but a gap nonetheless.
And look at the candles, man.
Yeah, but this to me looks like if we can hold support here, this is an inverse head and shoulders.
Mm-hmm.
Right here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder.
Yeah.
Let's measure the depth of the head. Take it to the neckline, squeeze this down.
Like I said, 85.2.
85 even.
85 even, yeah. We hit 85. Yeah.
But it's got to catch support. Now, obviously, invalidation happens below 84.079 on a closure. And so this thing could go all the way down to 84.1, but it's got to stay above 84. If it does, and we start filling this out, right? Start filling this out, we make a move up. The way I would play this
is also a head and shoulders on the 1 minute. So just understand that.
Inverse.
Yeah, inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute. So
the way I would personally play this is wait for the breakout of the neckline and a retest, and then enter on volume. And it should be a winning trade. I mean, this trade would be 0.5% trade multiplied by your leverage. It's not bad.
And whatever you put in. I mean, if you're doing 115x leverage, then
yeah, or if you're crypto face and you're doing $1 million trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is about to get invalidated. Looks like.
Yep.
All right. I mean, this is our line in the sand.
That's a weird gap. I've never seen that on Bitcoin before.
That's the line in the sand, my friends. And so we'll see. We'll squeeze this up a little bit right there. Bam. Oh. Yeah, but I wouldn't try to front run this thing, guys, because this could completely get invalidated and just spill off and come down and retest that VWAP line on that 15-minute. I we talked about that. $83.5, your VWAP upper band.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, man? How you doing?
What's up?
We're great, man. Right? We're live right now. We're here. Oh, are you? Yeah. Oh, you're good, bro. You're good. All right. Get the second shoulder at 93.2.
It's just about to invalidate that. We just got to break a structure as well.
On BTC?
Yeah, no more no more uptrend on the 1 minute. If this candle closes black, if this candle closes below this wick low, we invalidated it in 13 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Back in my early trading days, I would try to front run these things, and I would lose more of my. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of you.
Yeah, break a structure.
Inverse head and shoulders. Damn you! I had high hopes for you, IHS.
That gap is just so weirding me out.
The gap?
Yeah, it's.
It's not like we rarely see them, but I've seen them.
I've never seen that.
No, but I'll tell you, it's not common.
Yeah, I've only seen it on CME charts.
Yeah. Bitcoin put in a lower low officially on the 1 minute. Let's pull up the RSI. RSI also put in a lower low. No divergence there, my friend. Sorry. Someone said something about a head and shoulders on the higher time frame. Was the daily? Maybe it was a weekly. Oh yeah, it was a daily. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's clean up the chart.
That's a head
here.
and shoulders, though. That's to the downside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Precisely.
Ouch.
Sorry, guys. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to clean this up a lot of bit. So who was it, Brendan, that talked about the head and shoulders? Can you just shout out their name real quick.
I can't see it. Let me pull it.
This is a ugly ass Head and Shoulders. What is this? Does the half day look better? Kind of, yeah. Half day looks better.
Was it this guy?
No. Go down.
Oh, up. Oh, right there. Joe Bro. What's up, dude? Second shoulder I see, if we're looking at the same chart, my friend, second shoulder I see was at 90.6K. So
He said use Ichimoku Cloud for it.
yeah, and then Brokyoshi said, yeah, the weekly is gnarly, bro. The weekly is what concerns me, man. I mean, this is fuck. I mean,
Yeah, that's
it's
it's built out too.
disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
What's that measured move though? If we get
You don't even want to know.
I do want to know.
You don't.
I want to know because I've been
Okay.
saying bearish. Let me see.
Okay, you want to know, bro?
Yeah.
Can you handle it?
Can we put this up on the screen, Gino, for me?
Can you handle it? 41,000.
Ooh.
Now, guys,
Is that going to happen? Hell no. But that would be really bad.
chances are it's not going to happen, okay? But you never know. Historically, Bitcoin has never gone under its price on election day. So when Trump won on November 5th or November 6th of 2024, when he was announced the winner, Bitcoin's price was 70,000, 70-something thousand.
That was a great day.
Let's take a look. Great day.
The greatest day.
I don't know. If you talk to people who have money in the market or crypto, they'll say that's a shoot.
Oh, yeah, I would agree.
November. Let's look at November. Where are you in November? Okay, let's squeeze in here. Price should not drop ever below.
That's right on the neckline. Or right below the neckline, it looks.
Tuesday. No, not November 12th.
It was November something.
November 5th. So price should never go below 72.4 once we make a new high, okay? And I'll just drop a horizontal here. 72.4 right there. So historically speaking, price should not go below that green line. 72.4, let's call it. But I don't know. We'll see. We know Sailor's average buy on Bitcoin is 76K. And Bitcoin is dumping. I would have gotten stopped out, but I would have hit my TP.
You wouldn't
Look
have
at
gotten stopped out.
that. I would have gotten stopped out.
Where were you at?
Because I moved my stop loss down.
Yeah, but if you would have kept your original one.
Yeah,
Yeah. Hey, like I said, though, that range, I called that range out, though.
you did. 5 minute.
You know,
Look at the 5 minute here.
David and Rob and me and I are some of the coolest guys you'll ever meet.
I like that you're advocating for yourself.
Yeah.
It's great.
I mean, you guys are awesome, too.
Thanks,
I
man.
mean, you ever met a funny guy, two funny guys that know a lot about crypto? You watch them every day.
I have.
Yeah, who's that?
I don't know, but fucking shit. Look at that. Now that is an evening star right there. We'll see volume coming up. Money flow is about to cross back into the red. Momentum is rolling over on the RSI and the stochastics. And looks like we are going to tap that VWAP, like I said.
That was where your original TP
that was my original TP was. Now, I'm not confident enough in Bitcoin right now to just put in a limit long order here on that VWAP upper band.
No, because it could absolutely crush it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it could go down, and I mean we have some confluence here. VWAP mid band and volume. This is we'll just throw a flag right in the middle there, 82,790. We'll see what it does, what price does here on the 15 and the 10 minute. But if we keep going down, I'd have my eye out on that level, 82.8. Potential long opportunity there if it comes to it. That's all I got, Mike. You got anything else?
Nah.
Okay. Guys, we appreciate you. Thank you very, very much. Hold on. AMAX said, did you see the Charles Hoskinson event on USDCX? He mentioned you guys. He did. Okay. Interesting.
Who did?
Charles. I got to now. I definitely got to end this.
Oh,
thing.
Charles
Watch it,
Houseman.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we appreciate you all. We love you. Thank you very much. If you're not subbed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We do the live show. We try to do the live show Monday through Friday, the trading show at 11:30 Pacific time AM, and then we do the crypto kind of news show Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10:30 AM Pacific time. And so we appreciate all of you. Have a great weekend.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Brandon loves you, even though he talks shit about you.
And
the first 5
Jesus,
minutes of the
and
stream.
Jesus loves you, and Brendan loves you, and if you just be nice, nobody's mean to you. I like all of you guys, though.
Yeah. All right, Gina, let's shut this down. Thank you guys. We'll see you on Monday, people.